Boeing Co. has agreed to reacquire Spirit AeroSystems Holdings Inc. for $37.25 per share, valuing the transaction at $4.7 billion or $8.3 billion including Spirit's net debt. This strategic move aims to address manufacturing defects and improve quality control after a critical incident involving a Spirit-assembled fuselage panel. Additionally, Airbus SE will acquire specific parts of Spirit's operations for $1 and receive $559 million in compensation, focusing on A350, A220, and other component manufacturing. The reacquisition reunites Boeing with its former subsidiary, originally spun off in 2005, in an effort to consolidate key operations and enhance manufacturing efficiency. The deal, expected to close by mid-next year, coincides with Boeing's impending settlement with the U.S. Justice Department over the 737 MAX crashes and ongoing financial challenges. Boeing has faced significant cash losses and risks a credit downgrade, making this consolidation critical. The integration will also see Spirit CEO Pat Shanahan, a potential successor to Boeing's current CEO Dave Calhoun, potentially taking over leadership, aiming to stabilize Boeing's production and financial performance.